My name is Max Shen.
I'm Charles Pei.
My name is Frida Cui.
My name is Kevin Yang.
I'm Bovi Rao.
Hi, I'm Jules Cho.
And we are here to tell you about our experience doing research and projects, how it has helped us, and why you should do the same.
So when I was a senior in high school, my school gave me the chance to pursue any research project I wanted. And then I ended up studying Chinese tea ceramics and the tea ceremony.
So I'm from the state of Ohio, and in Ohio, everyone drives cars to get around instead of other healthier and more environmentally friendly forms of transportation. My senior year of high school, I decided to launch an independent project to change that.
When I was a junior in high school, I did an independent environmental science project research. And basically what I did was investigating pesticide degradation. And that was very relevant to me because I'm from a rural state with a lot of agriculture. I was wondering how if pesticides are affecting our groundwater and basically how we could purify it.
I basically taught myself how to make these tea vessels, and I performed a ceremony at the end for a speech to my entire school.
I presented my results to City Council, and over the course of about a year, we were able to implement bike lanes as well as many bike racks across the city.
And what ended up happening is that I ended up presenting out for a lot of competitions. I got invited to a lot of international science fairs. But more important to me is that I was invited to talk to a lot of water treatment professionals in Utah at the facilities, and they were actually able to implement some of my ideas into their facilities.
Actually, a picture of me performing the tea ceremony was actually sent to the Harvard admissions office. And I still believe to this day that that's what got me into Harvard.
I think the biggest thing that I've learned from my experience is how to tackle a question that doesn't necessarily have a clear-cut solution.
Doing research in high school really taught me that sometimes it's not only about trying to find the answers, but asking good questions.
So the most important thing I learned is communication, and basically that was just built on talking to judges, talking to water treatment professionals, and through communicating, you're able to build this network of individuals who are able to understand what you're trying to present to them and what you can get from them. So just by building this network, by communicating with people very well, and I think CTB is a great opportunity to interact with a lot of these professionals as well as Harvard students who can talk to you about what they're interested in.
Doing research in high school is a really good opportunity to explore interests, both academic and beyond. So for me, doing a little bit of culture history really laid the foundation of my current study as a history concentrator at Harvard.
When you transfer something you learn to something you do, you gain a much better understanding of the subject in the process.
I love being able to see me change things in my city that I never thought I would be able to change at the start of the project.
Why not, right? We're always curious about the world. Who isn't curious? Well, we always have questions. And the best part about research is that whenever you find something, it's something that no one else knows. You're the only person that knows like this new fact about the world, and like for you to share it and for you to, it really makes you feel like you've contributed something wonderful and contributed to sort of human knowledge and expanded it when you do research.
Yes.
Definitely, it was the best decision I ever made. Yes, of course.
Oh, there's no question I would do it again.
At first, research may seem really daunting, but luckily CTB is a great opportunity for you to begin that process.
And we'll be with you through this process every step of the way, through office hours and through the CTB video series.
All of us are eager to see our project succeed and to meet you at the Harvard Center Shanghai next year.
And of course, we'll be there to welcome you, to meet you, and to be part of your amazing CTB journey.